There is simple step-by-step guide how to display keys that you pressed on your macOS system at the bottom left corner. So I'll leave a link to this tool in the description down below. So once we're here, we can scroll down until we find key star app.zip. Click here and then download is started. Click on this arrow at the top right corner and then you can see here key cursor. But at first we need to click on this Apple icon at the top left corner and then click on system settings. And now in the search write security, privacy and security. And then here we can find accessibility. So let's click on it and then click on plus icon here. Type in here your password using my Touch ID and then we can find here your file. In my case it's download. And then I click on my key cursor and then click on open. And as you can see key cursor is appeal here and then download folder and start key cursor. So here we can click on open, but if you have any problem you can check this playlist. Okay, click open and this program offers check for updates automatic. And now at the bottom left corner you can see key that you click. And also you can click on display and you can change selected visualize it. For example this one, but I prefer default. Also you can display mouse click, command keys only, and font size, for example, medium. That's it, I hope it helps you can watch this new video or this playlist about MacBook.